great start, and I want the same great continuation. I got a loss. Here comes another signal, and I'm not even surprised. The deal goes into profit. Is it possible to trade calmly and confidently without nerves, panic, and constant doubts? We get this question every day. I'm serious. Here is an example of what a new subscriber wrote to me.
Clara, honestly, I'm just tired. Every login is like Russian roulette. Sometimes the signal works, sometimes it doesn't. I just want to press a button and be sure that there's logic behind it. Is this even possible?
And here is what the guys who are already trading with my team write to me. Why was this possible? Because we stopped thinking like traders and started thinking like engineers. We assembled a team, traders, analysts, and coders. We closed for 4 months, conducted hundreds of tests, threw out everything that did not provide stability, and created something that we are truly proud of. A system that does not guess, but calculates. We tested everything on real accounts. One trader starting with a drawdown of $3,000 reached a stable profit in just 45 days. Trader: Yo, Clara, remember I came to you when I drained $3,000 of the deposit and had 100 left? Well, you can congratulate me. Now I have $4,900 of profits. I'm ready to kiss your hands for creating this system. What does our system do? Analyzes dozens of assets per second, tracks volumes, candlestick patterns, trends, and volatility, takes into account the news background at the moment, and issues a signal only if confidence is higher than 87%. No emotions, no overload, no guesswork. You get a push, enter a deal, and go about your life. Everything else has already been calculated by the system. Let me show you everything using a visual example. Let's go to the trading terminal. Personally, I enter a trade with a risk of $500, but this is my comfort zone. Everyone had their own. The larger their deposits, the larger their position volume, and accordingly their profit. This is logical, but the point is not in the numbers, it is in following the risk management rules. For this strategy, the minimum comfortable start is from $1,000. This is how the system works most stably. I will also include the basic elements of the chart, so that it is clearer where we are. But I will say right away, the main signals don't come from here. They are formed at a deeper level. Our system scans the market in real time. Volumes, trends, momentum strength, volatility, correlations, dozens of factors. So these are not just lines on the screen. This is an algorithmic decision made on the basis of live data. Let's wait for the first signal, and I will show you exactly how we enter on it. Wow, the first signal right away. I open a deal based on the signal without hesitation and wait for the result. Yes, the deal closes in profit. $955 goes to the balance. Great start, and I want the same great continuation. So I am waiting for a new signal. I publish the same signals as you see now live on my personal Telegram channel. Last week I gave 72 setups, and guess what? 88% of them closed in profit. This is no theory or screenshots after the fact. This is real trading in real time together with my community. If you want to go there, just follow the link under the video in Telegram and write to me. Hey Clara, I want to join your personal channel. My team or I personally will pick you up, explain everything and set it up as needed so that you can start with confidence right away. There is just one thing. Access is limited. Only 9 places are free. I don't want to spread myself thin. My team and I work with each one individually, and I'm not ready to divide my attention between hundreds of people. My benefit is that I receive 5% of the profit from your income. The percentage is already included in the system and is not deducted from your income. That is, the more you earn, the more I earn, which means it is profitable for me to lead you to success. If you're serious and want to trade confidently and systematically without guessing, come in, but only if you're ready to respect both your time and hours. Once you see how it works, and you will never return to the chaos of manual trading. I promise. A new signal just appeared and I picked up. As you can see, 0% doubt, 100% confidence, because I know how well thought out our system is. I just click open a deal and wait for the result. Great, I got a loss, but my confidence is still there. Our system gives 87% of successful trades and I just got the remaining 13. In any case, with the increasing risk, the system will lead me to profit, so I'm waiting for a new signal. Here comes another signal, this time for a fall. I open a deal. So do you know what I enjoy most? The fact that I no longer need to look at charts, draw some squiggles, and pray for the market to go in my direction. With our system, everything happens so relaxed that you can trade even lying on the beach sipping a cocktail. I think every trader dreams of this. Excellent, the system has shown its capabilities. And I take a great profit of $1,900. Delicious! With this deal, I completely covered the previous loss. I reduced the risk back, this is important, and perhaps we will reinforce the trading session with another deal. I didn't have to wait long. The system sent another signal. I opened a deal for a decrease. As you can see, even my graphic tools agree with the system. So while we wait for the deal to end. And I'm not even surprised. The deal goes into profit. Again, a great entry. Again, $940 in your pocket. So let's sum it up. Today's session was exactly how trading should be. Clear, calm, and profitable. More than $1,300 in 30 minutes. And not a single guess. Not a single extra emotion. Only one proven strategy that I trust 100%. The same system that I, my team, and all our traders in the group trade with every day. You just saw how it works live, and yes, you can become a part of our group too. If you're still thinking, that's okay. Seriously, almost every trader hesitates before the most important step. But those who are already in the team are trading right now without panic and breakdowns. And many of them are already reaching a stable $1,000, $2,500 per week just by following the signals and settings within the group. Now it's your turn to start growing. Click on the link under the video, write to me in Telegram. I want access and I will take you inside myself. But important, now I take a maximum of 9 people. Why so few? Because we really work personally with each one until you start earning confidently and systematically. My resources and the resources of my team are not unlimited. As soon as the place is closed, that's it. No offense. So don't delay. If you are ready, if you feel that it's time, this window is for you. I'm waiting for you inside. Let's do this together.